Some people choose Bunratty Castle, whilst others fly far, far away. But we are glad that you chose Mohill to celebrate your special day. So welcome to sweet County Leitrim, where the people are friendly and kind. You may travel all over the country, but their equal you never will find. So here's to you, Brian and Amy. May your life be one long honeymoon. And if you get a chance at the weekend, call into the Fleadh for a tune. 'Tis there you'll find singing and dancing, and music and crack at its best, as the Connacht Fleadh brings the musicians from places all over the west. Community spirit was glowing as the county began to make plans, with clipping and painting and mowing, whilst perfecting our natural tans. We hope you remember us fondly, no matter wherever you roam, and someday you might even consider to make it your own Leitrim home. So here's to you, Brian and Amy. May your life be one long honeymoon. And if you get a chance at the weekend, call into the Fleadh for a tune.